Name 3 dairy farming research institutions in Sri Lanka. Number 20. Explain with examples the advantages of promoting dairy farming in Sri Lanka. මේ වගේ ක්වෙස්චන් එකක් මේ සැරේ එන්න පුළුවන් බොහෝ විට. දැන් මේ කාලීන ගැටලු ගිය සැරේ පේපර් එකේ ආවා. ඒ කාලේ පොල් නැති කාලයක් වුණා, පොල් මිල ඉහළ ගිය කාලයක් වුණා. එතකොට ගිය සැරේ පේපර් එකේ කොකනට් කල්ටිවේෂන් එකේ ක්වෙස්චන්ස් වැඩිපුර තිබ්බා. කොකනට් කල්ටිවේෂන් එක රැක ගන්න ගත යුතු ක්‍රියාමාර්ග යෝජනා ලියන්න ආවා. දැන් මේ වගේ ක්වෙස්චන්ස් වැඩිපුර ආවා. Explaining the economic benefits of developing rubber cultivation, right to suggestions to protect coconut cultivations. ඒ වගේ questions ආව වැඩිපුර ඒ කාලේ තිබුණු ප්‍රශ්න අනුව. දැන් කිරිපිටි නෑනේ නේද? ඒ නිසා මේ වගේ question එකක් එන්න පුළුවන්. Explain with examples the advantages of promoting dairy farming in Sri Lanka. මේ වගේ question එකක් එන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් එන්න පුළුවන් steps that can be taken to promote dairy farming in Sri Lanka. Suggest your yojana, suggest your තව එන්න පුළුවන් write your suggestions for suggestions to promote dairy farming in Sri Lanka. ඒ වගේ questions එන්න පුළුවන්. Explain with examples the advantages of promoting dairy farming in Sri Lanka. Have you finished? Shall we discuss now these answers?
No, madam.
Okay, you write down. Have you finished? Okay, shall we discuss now answers? First, question number 11. Name the coconut triangle. Tell me your answer. Coconut triangle. Coconut triangle. Colombo, Chilao, Kurunegala, called as coconut triangle. You can mark it in this map also. Colombo. Here, Colombo. Colombo. Chilao. Kurunegala. Kurunegala. This is the coconut triangle. Coconut triangle. Okay, you write down answer. Colombo, Chilao, Kurunegala. Okay, then next one, name the minor coconut triangle. Minor coconut triangle is located in southern province. What are the areas? What are the areas which belong to minor coconut triangle? Tangol, Middeniya, Ratna. What is the district which minor coconut triangle belong? Questions වල ඇවිත් තියෙනවා district එක මොකක්ද කියලාත් හොඳට බලා ගන්න. Here southern province Gol Matara Hambantota. Gol Matara Hambantota. Tangol, this area. Tangol. Middeniya, this area. Middeniya, making questions ඇවිත් තියෙනවා. Province එක අහන්න පුළුවන්, district එක අහන්න පුළුවන්, minor coconut triangle එකේ location එකේදී මේ areas තුන අහන්නත් පුළුවන්. Tangol, Middeniya, Ranna. Tangol, Middeniya, Ranna. ඔයාලත් පොඩියට map එකක් ඇඳගෙන mark කරගන්න. You also can mark these areas. Coconut triangle. Here minor coconut triangle. Have you finished? Here coconut triangle is located in two provinces. Here Western province and Northwestern province. District Colombo, Gampaha, here Kurunegala, Puttala. These are the districts. Here minor coconut triangle is located in Southern province. Southern province. Hambantota district. Next one. Look at the next one. Write 5 physical factors that influence coconut cultivation. What are the physical factors? What are the physical factors which influence coconut cultivation? Annual rainfall between 2000 millimeters to 2500. Average temperature between 20 to 27 Celsius degrees. Sandy soil. Salt mix sandy soil or sandy soil and undulating land. Salt mix sandy soil and undulating land or saline sandy soil. Availability of labor, availability of local and foreign market. These are the physical factors that influence the coconut cultivation. Number 14. List 5 suggestions you could make to promote coconut cultivation. What are the suggestions? What are your suggestions to promote coconut cultivation? දැන් පුතේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ නිශ්ශබ්ද වෙන්න එපා. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ answers කියන්න ඕනේ. නේද? ඔයගොල්ලෝ සම්බන්ධ ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ උත්තර කියන්න ඕනේ නේ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලියපුවා හරිද බලන්න හරි. Tell me your answers. Tarusha, tell me your answers. What are the suggestions? Kabasara, Pasindu, what are the suggestions? Chamilka, what are the suggestions? What are the suggestions to promote coconut cultivation? Giving relief to coconut cultivation. Giving fertilizer with low price for coconut cultivation. පොහොර ලබා දෙන්න පුළුවන් නේද සහන මිලට. වගා කරගන්න ආධාර සපයන්න පුළුවන්. Providing relief to cultivate coconut cultivation. Tamanada. Providing coconut seeds for cultivation, farmers. Providing coconut seeds. Introducing new seeds with higher yields. අසන්න වැඩි බීජ වර්ග හඳුන්වලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Prohibiting cutting coconut trees. Okay, you write down your suggestions also. Tell me. දැන් කවුරුත් කතා කරන්නේ සද්ද නැතුව ඉන්නවා. Mention 4 factors that affect the distribution of rubber cultivation. What are the factors which affect to distribution of rubber cultivation? An annual rainfall over 2000 millimeters, laterite soil, distribution of laterite soil, a mean temperature of 27 Celsius, about 27 Celsius degrees, gentle slope width which are less than 30 meters in height, skilled labor, transport facilities, international market and local market also very important. Where was the first rubber seed planted in Sri Lanka? කොහෙද ඉස්සෙල්ලාම rubber ලංකාවේ plant කරේ කොහෙද? Where was the first rubber seed planted in Sri Lanka? Rubber cultivation which was started as a minor plantation crop in Sri Lanka. Minor plantation crop එකක් විදිහට තමයි rubber cultivation එක ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ ආරම්භ වෙන්නේ. In 1890, a British national, Sir Henry Wickham, planted the first rubber plant in Henarathgoda Garden. Henarathgoda Garden. Henarathgoda Garden. Where was the first rubber seed planted in Sri Lanka? You write down answer for this question. Henarathgoda Garden in Gampaha. Henarathgoda Garden in Gampaha. Who introduced rubber to Sri Lanka? British national Sir Henry Wickham. A British national, Sir Henry Wickham, planted the first rubber plant in Sri Lanka. Explain the economic benefits of developing rubber cultivation. What are the advantages? What are the economic advantages of developing rubber cultivation? මොනවද තියෙන වාසි? What are the advantages?
Can earn foreign currency by exporting.
Yes. We can earn foreign exchange. We can earn foreign exchange by exporting rubber. It is a good income way. It is a good income way. It is a good way to earn dollars to Sri Lanka. නේද? අපිට අපනයනය කරන්න පුළුවන් නම් ඒක අපිට ඩොලර් ගන්න හොඳ ක්‍රමයක් වෙනවා. foreign currency ලබා ගන්න ක්‍රමයක් වෙනවා. Yes, it is the main economic benefit. These days we have problem with dollars. So if we have rubber, we can export them. We can export our rubber and we can earn foreign exchange. As well as we can we can save our foreign exchange for importing rubber. දැන් අපිට තියෙන හින්දා import කරන්න යන වියදම ඉතුරු වෙනවා. නේද? import කරන්න යන වියදම ඉතුරු කර ගන්න පුළුවන්. We can save our foreign exchange to import rubber. What are the other economic advantages? What are the other advantages? Huh? What are the other advantages? It is a problem for unemployment. It is a solution for unemployment problem in Sri Lanka. Lot of people engage related to rubber cultivations, tapping rubber, collecting rubber, selling, like these in rubber estate. There are lot of job vacancies in rubber related to rubber cultivations. It is a solution for unemployment problem also.